Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke jela Pynbeit Ketenat Urban Affairs ke Sorka jela ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ubadeiru Chairman ke Regional Committee na West Giant Hills hagajing Pynbeit Port ba ke jela Assam ula Kular ba kandan ke jing Bniah Shwa Īasoi ke Memorandum of Agreement Pynbeit Port hakawat ke baar kani ke jing Kular uba Sniawbhalang ke long halor ke jing pan jing kentho dekilat patai ku bor halor ke jing dawa ke hinyau trap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF bagi Sorkar kam deban Īasoi kanu ke MOU pada Assam lada kam dan ke jing penpai biang ya ke Block 1 cha Meghalaya.
I have met you regarding the Block 1 issue, and they have asked the government not to sign any MOU with Assam if Block 1 is not retransferred back to Meghalaya.
No, that is they met me, so that time we'll see. We have to discuss both the state together, no? And even though if any agreement has to sign, first we have to consult thoroughly and properly with our own people, local people from that area only. And the question of signing this and does not arise because now it's under discussion only.
So what is the status of the talks?
We'll see. Maybe now election is coming, so we have to discuss with counterpart. Maybe both sides of the committee are busy because of lots of election. We will see. We'll update you.
Regional committees will be sitting after.
Yeah,
the
regional
election?
committee, especially from my side. So I thought after the session we'll sit once, and about the counterparts so at the CM level we will see accordingly.
They are supposed to submit the report by December 31st.
No, you see, the reports now, that is not the final report because we are there is the exercise doing by our deputy commissioner. So along the line, in the borderline, so we are trying to find how many villages are there reside by the Kasi, how many villages are there reside by the Kyrwoh. It's still on our exercise still on us now.